What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and we're trying to get you in the Christmas spirit, so we got a few watch faces for you all to check out for the Christmas holidays. And this one here is really nice. It's called Santa Christmas Silicone. It's a free watch face. It's not a bad download at all. I do like the animation of this one. It's even going to look really nice in AOD mode as well. But the background really looks nice. You got trees in the background. You got Santa over here saying hi. Simple digital time with the date down at the bottom. And it also gives you your battery percentage as well. So I thought this was definitely a good look for the Christmas holidays. And double tap. There you go with Rudolph. Well, not the real Rudolph, but you know what I mean. That's Rudolph. All right. And then there goes Santa again. So you got a couple of things to change into, which isn't a bad look, especially considering that the watch face is free. So let's check out Christmas watch face number two is called Christmas. It's a free watch face, not a bad look at all for the Christmas holidays. Now, what are you going to get in the AOD mode? It's just going to be a simple digital time with the date. That's it, that's all. But when the watch face is on, it looks pretty nice, very festive. You got Santa with his reindeers in the background, and you also got Frosty in the front holding gifts. And then you also get a nice digital time, very simple, but yet nice for the holidays. Last but not least, watch face number 3 is called Christmas Snow Live Watch. It's a very nice looking watch face. You got this wreath look going around the bezel of the watch. I love the snowflakes that's falling on the inside. Again, this should not burn your battery down that much. It should be okay. And you're gonna get your month and your day. You got battery info, step info over here, and the day of the week. So it's a nice analog watch face. Got a smooth second hand going around. Not bad at all. Now, if I single tap here, I can take that wreath away, and then you can have a nice analog watch face with falling snow. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.